Does a surviving spouse have to go through a full-blown probate proceeding in order to acquire assets from a deceased partner? Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. The answer to that question is no. Here in the state of California, there is something called Spousal or Domestic Partner Property Petition. The primary purpose of this petition is to transfer separate property from the deceased spouse's ownership to the surviving spouse's ownership without a full-blown probate proceeding. California Judicial Form DE 221, Spousal or Domestic Partner Probate Petition. This petition is another streamlined probate procedure which usually requires only one court hearing. At this hearing, the judge will confirm all ownership of community property to the surviving spouse. Community property is the property that was acquired or purchased during marriage. The petition also requests that the court orders the transfer of the deceased spouse's separate property to the surviving spouse. Separate property is the property that was acquired before marriage or that was inherited by the deceased spouse. This can all be done without a full-blown probate proceeding. It is faster and it is cheaper. Who can file a spousal or domestic partner property petition? The surviving spouse, obviously, the surviving spouse's representative, if the surviving spouse has already passed, a conservator of the surviving spouse. Another factor that impacts the petition is if the spouse died with or without a will, or if that spouse died with the trust. Question of the day: have you or someone you know filed a spousal or domestic partner property petition before? If so, was it approved, and how long did it take? Let us know in the comments below. If and when the judge approves your petition, the judge will then sign an order, Judicial Form DE 226. Once this form has been signed, you will file it with the clerk and you should be good to go. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you are dealing with a probate scenario and you have questions in regards to probate real estate here in the state of California, please contact me. This video has been for information purposes only. If you have specific questions regarding the spousal or domestic partner property petition, please contact an attorney. If you need an estate or probate attorney here in the state of California, feel free to contact me for a referral.